Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. So from any screen, first of all, if you click phone, nothing comes up, but then you click setup quickly, you've got Bluetooth settings. So onto Bluetooth settings, you've got paired device list, search for devices, set Bluetooth. We want the first one, paired device list. So click on that and it shows Barry's iPhone. And there you've got delete, paired devices and connect. We want to delete. So delete the device. Are you sure? Delete. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this VW Tiguan 2015. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on at the top there. We're watching out at the bottom. We click phone and then we click setup to get into the other menu. Bluetooth settings, click Bluetooth settings, paired device list, but we want search for devices. Turn down search for devices and click, and then we're watching VW phone here. Picking up everything on the car park. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, so we'll click on that. Please wait. And there we go. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. It's the same as that passkey. Yes. Pairing successful. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. VW phone not connected. Still searching here. There you go. Connected and connected on the system. So pretty simple system. Also, if we go to music, just click on that, turn it down, see at the bottom there, if I click on that VW phone, there's a tick next to it. That tick means that any audio that comes off this phone, if that system is set up right, the sound from the phone will play through the speakers. So as I say, I've turned this down. We'll go back to the record, over to the system, then we click media. Media, that's on CD at the moment. So if you click media again, it brings up this other menu, and then you go SD card, auxiliary, MDI, Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. That's showing the record that's playing on here, and if I turn this up now, if I turn that up and then turn this up, it's not turned up because it's one of those stupid clutch systems. So that's it. That's how you play music. So I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. So from any screen, if we click onto nav, if it's the first time it comes on in your drive, it will probably ask you. It's just connecting my phone. It'll ask you to agree to say that you're not going to be distracted. But so here's the system. It's just showing the map at the moment. If we click again, you've then got this other menu. You've got address, destinations in memory, last destinations, petrol stations, car parks, and points of interest. So we want address, select address, click on it. Postcode in United Kingdom, towns United Kingdom. So postcode in United Kingdom, click on that, and that's it. We want postcode. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatney-Dale, Preston, PR. It's defaulted to numbers 5, 4. Where's J gone? HJ, and then S. PR5 4JS. So that's it there. Postcode, and click start.
The route is being calculated. The destination is in the direction indicated.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav. Thanks for watching.